dragon. Dad,
Yes.
golden dual dragons, they breathe fire, but their enemies are the things that are dangerous to us, like bears. Because bears can eat us, and they attack things that are really dangerous to humans.
Okay, can you eat? Can you girls eat a little bit of your
But
dinner?
they don't attack us. Because golden dual dragons are nice. They help us a lot. I got a friend. Well, they're from the kingdom. They're totally golden. Their scales are so golden. And their eggs are golden too. Isn't that cool?
They're very nice.
That's because they live in the kingdom. And their kingdom is very golden. Because you know that? They're very golden.
Is Victoria telling us a story too?
Yeah.
Is she talking about golden jewel dragons? Because I don't understand anything. Do you understand what she's saying? Victoria, what's your story about?
She's talking about her bug.
No, I don't think so.
She's talking about babies. Hey, Dad. Why in the never-ending story there's a bad thing?
You say no thank you, Victoria.
Biscuit pie.
Biscuit pie. Keep going, Victoria. Oh, sorry.
Biscuit pie. Biscuit pie. Biscuit poo poo. Biscuit
No,
pie.
not at the table.
Big little pumpkin. Little pumpkin, biscuit pie.
I don't think she wants any.
Little pumpkin, biscuit pie.
I don't think she wants any, Ellie. Hmm?
Biscuit pie. Biscuit pie.
Victoria, can you eat a little bit, please? She has her own, Ellie. No, she has her own. She doesn't need another one. Victoria, mouse.
Look at my biscuit.
No, Ellie. Now she has 3.
So we have 4. And
Can-
I have 6.
Can you eat? Can you eat yours, please? And she'll copy you.
Oh. Biscuit. Can I watch the video while you sit and eat?
No, Ellie, you didn't finish eating either. You need to.